dict, if you want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs, then we require to go for dict. Sir, to represent key value pairs. Are you getting? To represent key value pairs, we require to go for dict concept, right? Sir, how you can write D is equal to 100 colon key colon Durga. Are you getting? Key colon Durga, like key value comma 200 colon Ravi. So two key value pairs I'm taking. Now dict is mutable or not, happily you can perform any changes, right? Itself is mutable, sir. Okay, like next, what about insertion order? Is it preserved or not preserved, sir? Take a bit very special care. Order is not important. Indexing and slicing concepts are not applicable. Next, duplicate key duplicate not possible, but a value duplication is always possible. So duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated